Hey guys, it's Nilu. So today I'm going to make some custom thumbnails. So I'm going to be using Canva and PicMonkey. I'm going to use a mix of both to make clickable and really cute thumbnails. So I'm just going to do screen recording and then kind of show you the process of how I do it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to PicMonkey. Edit new image, and then in blank canvas, it's called YouTube thumbnail, so it's 1280 by 720, and then you could just name it. I'll just call it room makeup. Okay, so from here you can copy and paste a picture. Okay, so I just copied it onto my desktop and I'm just gonna move it into PicMonkey, and then I'm just gonna make it fit within the given size. Okay, so now to add text, just go to text, add text, and then okay, so I know it's suggested to have, I think the maximum is 5 words so that it's not too cluttered. So I'm just gonna do room makeover. Then make it white. And then I'm going to go to effects, outline, and then you could choose the color for this. So I'm just gonna choose black. And then reduce the intensity because it's a bit too much. Okay, and then curved text is the one that most people use. So it's arc, and then you can change the curve. You can make it like this or like that. And then you can make it, honestly make it as big as possible because on phones it shows up pretty small. And then you can also change the font. I know that Arial is what most people use, so I'm just going to use Arial. And also, if you actually wanted to do, like if you didn't want the curve thing, you can kind of actually increase the letter spacing, because that actually looks kind of cool. So there's so many things you can do with it actually. But I'm just going to do the curve one. So I think this text is good. And then another feature of this is, let's say you want to make the outline a different color, you can use this like pick the color thing, and then you can make it like any color. You can choose like the color from this image and then just use that, and then it actually looks really cool. I think I'm actually going to choose like the pink in this picture. Or something like, actually I like that. Okay, yeah, I like that. And then I'm just gonna download this. And then I'm gonna head over onto Canva. And then create a design, YouTube thumbnail. And then I'm just gonna paste this on here. And then resize it. Okay, and then what I do is go to elements, and then Canva actually has like really good things that you can use. So these are pro. So all of them are free, but like the hearts are free, but these are pro, so you'd have to get a pro account to use them. So like you could use these stars and make them kind of like white, and you can add it maybe in one place or many places, and then it'll actually look really cool. Or you could add, I don't know if hearts work, but you can add hearts or more stars, and you can always change the color here. But honestly, I think it looks better with just these stars. And you can also change the color of them. But honestly, I think the white ones look best. Yeah, I actually like that the most. So yeah, on Canva you can actually make thumbnails just purely on Canva, but the only thing is you can't really do the curve thing. But like, let's say you wanted to do that, you can just do this, and then I actually downloaded a bunch of fonts, so you can just do so many, and then just you can download fonts and then use them. I think that's a pro thing, but it's worth it. Yeah, and then you could just add that, but I actually like PicMonkey. Yeah, so that's actually it. So I'm just gonna download this. Yeah, so that's the finished picture. The things to consider are if the text actually pops out compared to the background, so you want to make sure that it doesn't blend in, because otherwise it's not going to be readable, especially on a phone since it's so tiny. And then the other things are to make sure that you limit your number of words to around 5, but I think it's recommended to use less letters. Just make sure it's like pretty, because I feel like those are more clickable. And also, like, if you're using a screenshot of the video you're making, just make sure that your head or face isn't kind of blocked by the words. So just make sure it kind of blends in well and that it's informative but makes you want to click on it. So maybe don't use the same words as on your title, because you could just use it for additional information about the video to make people click on it. Hopefully these are helpful. See you in my next video.